Welcome to TLH Patterns. This is Pradeepa. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a scarf. This scarf has an interesting texture and pattern, and it uses only basic crochet stitches, so it is suitable for a beginner. The scarf is 15 centimeters wide and approximately 144 centimeters long. However, the length and width are adjustable. If you need a wider scarf, all you have to do is increase the initial chains in multiples of 7. For this scarf, I used medium worsted weight yarn, 2 balls of 100 grams each, about 167 meters in length. I used a little less than 2 balls and a 6 mm crochet hook. Let's begin with a slip knot and make 44 chains. So for this pattern, you need to make chains in multiples of 7 plus additional 2. So here I am making 42 plus 2, which is 44. And if you want a wider scarf, you can add stitches in multiples of 7. I have 44 chains. Now you have to skip 4 chains from the hook and work 3 double crochets in the 5th chain. Next, skip 3 chains and make a single crochet in the next chain. Chain 3. Now we will make double crochets in the next 3 chains. Then skip 3 chains, single crochet in the next chain. Again, chain 3, double crochet in next 3 chains. Skip 3 chains and make a single crochet in the next chain. Repeat this across, and finally you skip 3 chains and work a single crochet in the last chain. This is the end of row 1. Start row 2 with chain 4, turn. In the first stitch, which will be the first single crochet, work 3 double crochets. Then make a single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Single crochet and then work 3 chains. And now 3 double crochets in the same chain 3 space. Repeat. Single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, 3 double crochets in the same chain 3 space. Repeat this across, working single crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochets in each chain 3 space. Finish the row with single crochet worked in the last chain 3 space. So this is the end of your row 2. and you will be repeating row 2 throughout until you reach the desired length. So the next row begins with chain 4 and 3 DC in the first stitch. Then single crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet in each chain 3 space across, finishing the row with single crochet in the last chain 3 space. Here is my finished scarf. It measures 15 centimeters wide and 144 centimeters long. You can of course adjust the length and width according to your wish. I'll show you how to add fringes if you want to. Cut a few strands of yarn. I wrapped yarn around my cell phone a few times and cut at one end. Now you take a few strands, like 3 or 4 strands of yarn, and fold it at the center, and using your hook pull the center of the yarns through a stitch, forming a loop, and now pull the free ends of the yarn through this loop and tighten it. You can add as many as you want, and once you have done, you can cut the ends if they are uneven. If you like this pattern, please give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.